Hello everyone, my name is Asta. I am student of Science Kids. I am in robotics year level 3. I have created an app called as apnalibrary.com.
When I open this app, it asks me to choose an account. After choosing the account, it appears at the bottom of the screen. This app has various sections like child section, adult section, news, web links, holy books, which will take care of interest of various age group people. Let us now start with the child section. Firstly, in the child section, there are many links which can be shared through various applications. So if I click on any link, it will ask for the sharing option. So currently I'll share to WhatsApp, and after clicking on the application and select one of my contacts, and then I will share it. After that I have to open the link which I shared. After that, it will open the particular story the link contains. So if I have to go to the previous story, then I have to click on back, and if I have to go to the next story, I have to click on next. So now let's go back to our app. Next, in the child section, there are various pictures containing stories which can be read or can be shared as well. So if I have to share one of these, like this summer one, so I'll click on the image and then it will open the sharing option. So you can see this. Also, not only stories, but there are some poems as well, and there are these moral stories as well. You can see there are many such stories. Some of them may take time to load.
Will you be my friend?
So you can see there are many stories. In short, there is enough material to keep a child occupied for a vacation. So secondly, there is an adult section. So in this section, there are quotes which can be read or can be shared. So if we have to share, again the same process, like click on the image, we have to share, and then it will easily share. So now also there are some videos which have some moral stories, some novels which can be seen or also can be shared. There are many videos. You can see this. So if we have to play any videos, like any, so we can play.
Two of the most prevalent ways in today's world are books and movies. In fact, many of our favorite movies have been...
So you can see there are many such. Now these are all some novels, some entertaining videos, some movies, and some of the moral stories. Also there is a PDF of a large dictionary which can be referred when required. So some of these pages may take time to load. So here you can see there are some pages which are loaded. Now there are more than 900 pages in this dictionary, so we'll not see each and every pages. Now let's go to the next section. The next attraction of this app is the news section. Now every person watches news at least once in a day. This app shows you the top headlines of the day. This headline is updated regularly. You can see there are many such headlines over here of some days, like you can see technology, then trending news. So these are specific some sections, so whichever section you want, you can refer at that time. There is also a live TV. So in this live TV you can see the black box. So it's the live TV basically going on India Today. So you can see this is the India Today. If we want the live TV currently going on Aaj Tak, then we can click on this Aaj Tak, and then we will be able to see the Aaj Tak live TV currently going on. So you can see there are many such live TVs. You can see this. So now here's the ad going. So after this ad, it will play the live TV currently going on Aaj Tak Now.
कि जो बिहार में जो मेरा अनुभव है 5,000 लोगों से जो मैंने बात किया है पिछले कुछ दिनों में, उन लोगों को अगर आप ठीक से बात कर.
So you can see this. Now there is a magazine as well. So you can see this magazine. There are these many magazines currently. So these are the magazine issues. So whichever magazine you want, you can refer it easily. You can see this. Now also there is a dark mode. If you will reading at night or whenever you want to switch to dark mode, you can easily switch it. Now there are many news like videos, corona, elections, IPL, Malayalam, India, quiz, education, gaming, health, sports, business, etc. So let's see corona. So there is a thing in corona which is the corona tracker. So you can easily track the corona patients all over the India. You can see this, or also all over the world. You can see these all are related to corona. Now let's see one more example, like let's see sports. So these are the particular sections in which you will get only the news of the current section. Like if we have opened sports, then you will only get the news about sports. You can see this. Let's go back. But first let me tell you that it will also show the IPL dates, like the current dates which are going to come in sports. Now let's go back to our app. So over here let's see holy book as well. So in this holy book, there are many holy books like Ramayan, Bible, Guru Granth, Quran, Bhagavad Gita. So all have a PDF. So let's see Ramayan. So the PDF has been loaded. So here you can see this. Some of pages may take time to load because there are more than 200 pages in a single PDF. So it may take some time to load. So you can see there are many such pages. There are chapters as well in this Ramayan. So whichever you want, you can refer it easily. You can see this. Now let's go to another holy book, which is the Bible. So you can see this. So you can see this. These pages has been loaded. Here we start with the chapter 1 of Bible. So as the Bible has more than 1000 pages, so these may take more time to load. Let's see Guru Granth. So if you want, you can also sign in. So basically the thing for signing is you just have to click on signing, then choose your email ID and your password, and you are done with signing in. So you can see these pages are loaded. Now even Guru Granth Sahib Ji has more than 1000 pages, so it may take time to load. Now this is Quran. You can see even these has many pages, more than 200. Let's see another, which is the Bhagavad Gita. You can see. Let's go back to our app. Now let's see the another interesting section, which is the web links. You all might be thinking that we can also check with Netflix and Amazon Prime. So let me tell you that these sites have paid sites, and also there are some series and movies which are inappropriate to watch at all age groups. So this web series, this app provides you such movies and such series which all age group people can watch, they can understand. So there are various languages like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi movies, so you can watch it appropriately. Let me tell you that you can see this is the season 1 episode 1, this is the episode 2, episode 3. So these way I have shared some episodes in this. So you can see this, there are many episodes. So you can see here starts with the movie. You can see this. There are many movies. Here are some Harry Potter episodes as well. You can see this is the Gunjan Saxena movie. These are some movies. So for you all, I'll play one of these. So you can see this. So basically the purpose for making this app was you can get all things like sections, news, links, holy books in a single app. It exactly works like a library. Thank you.